Hands-on, it's a 6-month program in which you get to come and be mentored by a missionary, and you get to do ministry. In Swaziland, I am teaching True Love Waits, which is an abstinence program. And then I'm also helping the people who are already here with the church plants that they're doing. I live in a house, a normal house. It doesn't have heating or air conditioning, but you know, you get used to that. And it's funny because people do in the States think that you tell them you're going to Africa and they think you live in a mud hut or you're going to go see a shaman to go to the doctor, when life here is just normal. The people in Swaziland, they're very relational. Everything is based off of relationships here. It's all about who you know, and the more you get to know people, the closer you get to them and the faster that they will call you friends. I found that totally to be different than the States. Missions is more about relationships. Yeah, you go out and you preach the gospel verbally, but it's more about relationships and making relationships with people and letting the people watch how you live and watch how you're different. You have a blast doing it, and you get to make friends overseas that you will always be friends with. You will think you are coming to share with them and to teach them, but yet you learn so much from them. And it's a time where you can learn a lot about the Lord, because you have to learn to trust in the Lord. Since I've been here, the Lord has just taught me over and over again about trusting Him, because I want it to be about me. Because I want it to be, I planned it this way, and God's like, no, I want it done this way. And so I've had to learn that, you know, things may not be perfect and things may not be right all the time, but I have to trust Him and I have to lean upon Him. And He's taught me that He is my Father and that He is going to take care of me, and that the God that I served in America is the God that I serve here in Africa, and that He's just as powerful here in Africa as He is in America.